Hey y'all, I'm back with another craft. Today I'm going to be working on something for the front porch. The theme is Hocus Pocus, and I'm going off of this door hanger from SVG Designs. It's the Sanderson sisters. Y'all can see that? So cute. I'm going to tag her in this video so y'all can check her shop out. And there's a code as well that I'll post for y'all. So this is going to go on the front door, and then on the side wall I have a little area where I want to hang another sign. Oops. It comes in two colors, the white and the natural. I'm going to use the white side. It's going to say Sanderson Sisters, Hocus Pocus, Co. Enchanted Brooms. So I'm going to cut that out in vinyl and put that on here. I bought my design off of Etsy. I'll tag that at the bottom as well. So what else? I also bought some witches hats that I'm going to hang off the front porch, different lengths from Amazon. There's 12 of them. I'm probably going to only use 5 or 6 of them. I don't have a big area in the front. So let's get started. I'm going to go ahead. I measured this. It's 11.5 inches wide. Yeah, 11.5 inches. So I made my design 11 inches. So I'm going to go ahead and get that sent to my Cricut Maker 3, and I'm using Smart Vinyl. I'm using the Smart Vinyl Permanent Vinyl. You can see that. So you don't need a mat when you're using this. You just load it into the tray and it cuts it, because it already has like a thick bottom to it, so it doesn't need a mat. All right, let me go ahead and get this sent to the maker. Here, and then it's asking me, do I want to make it on a mat or without a mat? So I'm going to choose without a mat, and then done. Continue. We're going to use Smart Vinyl Permanent, and it's ready to go. Now it says just to load your paper, so it's already in here. I'm going to go ahead and load it. Here we go. Please let this come out right. It's measuring the material to see if I have enough for this project right now. I should have enough. It's a brand new roll. Yep. And it should tell me to press start. Yep, there we go. I'm gonna press start, and it's gonna go ahead and cut this out. And I don't know how long, it doesn't tell me how long it's going to take, but it shouldn't take that long. I have the Cricut Maker 3, and I also have the first Cricut Maker, and this one's a lot faster than this one. I absolutely love it, and I love that you can use this tray with it and this Smart Vinyl. It's gonna be so cute when it's done. So I'm gonna have the witch's broom sign here, and then I have some brooms coming in from Amazon that I'm gonna hang at the bottom on the front porch, and I'm gonna video all that for you guys. I also have a sign that I bought from At Home. It says Happy Haunting. It's a really long sign, so that's gonna be super cute as well. And then I have 2 planters on the front porch as well. I'm gonna take out my ferns and get some mums, maybe in purple and orange or purple and yellow mums to go in there. I think that'll be super cute. So it's at 53%. I wish y'all could see, but y'all don't need to see, it's just cutting out. So I'm gonna get my tools ready to weed this. So I got a couple of weeding tools. I'm gonna do another video to show y'all how I made this one. It's made out of a mechanical pencil, and it has a needle in it, and it weeds. It's my favorite tool. Some scissors. I'm gonna kind of get this stuff moved out the way. Oh, while it's doing that, I have another witch's hat that I bought from Amazon. So cute. I'm gonna wear this for Halloween when we go trick-or-treating, if we go trick-or-treating this year. I thought this was super cute. I might even just wear it. It looks knitted. It's super cute. So if y'all want the link for this, let me know and I'll put it for y'all. It's at 79%. And while we're waiting, if you like acrylic ornaments, Hobby Lobby has this pack right here for $4.99. It's 40% off, and there's 8 pieces. So you peel the paper that's on it, and it's clear acrylic, so you can put any kind of vinyl on here and make some really adorable ornaments. This is in the Christmas craft section at Hobby Lobby. And a lot of people are messaging me saying they can't find the bulbs that I used for the cauldron. Christmas craft section at Hobby Lobby. Not in the Christmas section. It'll be in the Bag by Crafts. And that's it. It's at 100%, so it's almost done. I don't need this anymore. Let me move this out the way real quick. I cannot wait to see this design. I hope I measured right and it fits. And plus, this is permanent vinyl, which hopefully it doesn't stick right away when you put it down. I like the repositionable one, but since this is going to be outside, I wanted it to be permanent. A few more minutes. So once that's done and I weed it out, I'm going to use this transfer paper. I have Cricut transfer paper, but I really love this one. It's from Walmart. In the kitchen section, it's called Easy Liner, and it's made by Duck, the Duck brand. So I really like this one. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut out my piece that I need. Let me cut this piece off. So I need about 12 inches to fit this board. So I'm just going to cut out 12 inches. Right here. Oh, it's finished. Just in time. And I'm about to sit down in this chair so I can weed all of this. I'm not standing up doing that. Oh, come back, you. Put this to the side. With this Cricut Maker 3 on this tray, it comes with a blade so you can cut your project off. And that way, you're not wasting any vinyl. So we're done with that. I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to take this off so y'all can see and eject this. It's so pretty. Okay, I can't wait to weed it. All right, let me get this out of the way. I'm just going to close this up, put this over here, and turn this that way. All right. Let me see. I'm going to sit right here. My little chair, come on out. It's stuck. Oh, got it. Come on, Molly. Oh, all right. So now that we're sitting down and we're relaxed, we need glasses because Mama can't see. So I want to go ahead and kind of get this to the parts that need to stick down onto the mat. Oh, look, that one already came off. I guess we don't need that one. Oh. Oh, yes, we don't need that one. I'm famous for pulling out parts that need to stay where they need to stay. I'm famous for that. We've done lives and we died laughing because I screw up so much. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this tool, and you're gonna pick a side, just like this, and you're gonna start peeling forward and praying that all the pieces that need to stay. Oh man, darn it, I already messed it up. That's gonna be so cute. There's something called reverse weeding. I don't know how to do that. Man, that's a lot of parts. So I definitely messed up. I took off one of the stars, but if I need to replace it, I'll make a new one. But I think we're good. If I can find that star, I don't know what I did with it. Like, oh, we don't need that. No, Shy, you need that. There's probably an easier way to do this, but I like doing things the difficult way. So what I love about this vinyl so far is that it comes off super easy. And then we'll go ahead and pick out the small parts. Ta-da! All right, where's my star? What I did with it. Are you my star? No? Yeah, you probably were. All right, let me see if I can get this star back on because this is the one that I pulled off. Yeah, that's the other part. Okay, I have to fix that. Let me go ahead and get that positioned on here. About right there. All right, that's good. Okay, we got the star back. All right, so this is what it looks like. Now I'm gonna go ahead and weed all of this out, all the parts that need to be weeded out, and I'll be right back. Hey y'all, I'm back. I have it all weeded out, and I went ahead and put my transfer paper on top of it. This is what it looks like. It's gonna be backwards, but I'm gonna show y'all the right side when we're done. So now that I have my transfer paper on here, you're just gonna take your tool and kind of press down to try to get your vinyl to stick onto the transfer paper. This transfer paper's pretty good. Usually picks it up the first time. My little star that I tore, hopefully that one sticks. If not, I'll have to cut another one out because they have 3 on each side. All right, that looks pretty good to me. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start peeling at one corner my transfer paper back. Let's see if it's sticking. Hold on, let me do it this way. Oh, yep. Oh, so far so good. To me, this is the hardest part. Oh, we got it. Oh, don't stick to me. There we go. It's on the transfer paper. This you can discard now. I'm gonna take your piece that you want to put it on. And like I said, this is permanent. I should have taken this string off. Let me just cut it because I can add another piece to it. That way it's not in the way. Take this off completely. Just throw that. Just throw it away. All right. So you kind of want to make sure this is clean. You're going to get your piece ready. Say a little prayer. And kind of measure where this is going to go. So let's see. All right. We're just going to put it down. If it's not even, it's not even. And you don't want to lay it down all at once. You kind of want to get the bubbles out. You're supposed to be using this. That looks pretty good. Oh, Lord have mercy. It's supposed to be a stress-free craft day. So you're going to use your scraper and just pray to God that it all comes off like it's supposed to. You're just scraping this onto the wood. And I think it's going to stick because some of the stuff was sticking when I tried to pull it off. And now that I'm pressing down, I think it's all going to stick. My goodness gracious. That is adorable. All right, let's check. Come on, a little bit more. Hallelujah. So that's done. So let's take a look at this and see what's coming up. It's just that one little piece right here that wanted to pop off, but I got it back on. Oh my gosh. I don't think I could have got this centered any better. Look how cute. I'm going to show y'all up close. I'm going to take the camera down and bring it down here. But oh my goodness, I cannot wait to hang this on the front porch. That's gonna be so cute. All right, let me get the phone and bring it over here for y'all. How adorable did that turn out? Look how cute. So cute. Just took a little bit of time getting it to stick to this board. This is the little star right here that I messed up. You can't even tell. Adorable. I cannot wait to hang this on the front porch. I ended up adding some more twine, but I tied a little knot in the front instead. So cute. And then I have some brooms coming in from Amazon that this is going to be hanging, and then I have some hooks underneath it, and then the 3 brooms will be hanging underneath it. So freaking cute. All right, guys, see y'all next time.